Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for stopping by. So today I'm going to show you how I prepare these delicious, moist and decadent cakey brownies. Okay guys, so let's take a quick look at the ingredients you'll need for this recipe. Here I'll be using some brown and granulated sugar, some all-purpose flour, some regular whole milk, some eggs. I have milk chocolate, some instant coffee, baking powder, melted butter, vanilla, and some cocoa powder. So to a large bowl, you want to add your sugar, eggs, and melted butter. You want to mix that until it's very well combined. Mix until almost all the sugar is melted. That will give you that nice crackly top that we all love in brownies. If you want to use a hand mixer, please feel free to do so. Next, we will add our cocoa powder and mix that until very well combined. At this point, you want to add your milk and make sure that that is well incorporated. At this point, you want to add your flour and gently fold it in. I almost forgot the baking powder, but you want to add that as well. And like I said, fold it in until everything is well incorporated. Now lastly, you want to add your chocolate in here. You can use any chocolate of choice. If you want dark chocolate, go ahead and add it in and just fold it in gently. Once the batter is well combined, you want to add it to a 8x8 baking dish. You want to make sure you line that baking dish with some parchment paper to avoid sticking. Once we are done, you want to go over the top with some more chocolate. This is just optional. If you don't want the chocolate on top, you can leave it out. But I like to go over the top with some more chocolate and place this in a 350-degree oven for about 30 minutes or so. You don't want to overbake this. If you overbake it, it will become dry. So bear that in mind. After about 30 minutes, the brownies are all done. You want to allow this to cool off completely before slicing into it, or else it will just fall apart. And here you have it, the most moist and amazing cakey brownies ever. This was a subscriber request, and I hope the brownies met all your expectations. Once I broke into them, the brownies were so moist. You can see the chocolate pieces inside there, and it was absolutely divine. I hope you guys give the recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all the ingredients and measurements down in my description box, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Have a good day. Thank you for watching, and as always, enjoy.